What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to another marijuana stock update video update on marijuana stocks. 2 weeks ago I put out a video saying, hey, we're gonna get earnings on Monday, and then we're gonna see the market pull back. We're gonna see dips. That's gonna be a buying opportunity. I hadn't updated anything on marijuana stocks since then, but I think it is time to do that. I want to start with MGA, the ETF. Now, ETF doesn't really post earnings. It's not a company, it's a basket. But it played out just as I had said, right? That Monday, we saw everything shoot up, but after earnings, it came back down. I think if it comes back to 12.9, it's going to be a good entry, right? I still think it's a good entry. I do think we got to take out resistance is at 15.41, right? That's going to be our next resistance on MJ. And then we're going to look for $22 to $23 range for the next target. That's how I'm trading this one. I think I have $15 calls and $20 calls. That way it's like halfway to the target, and they are out in the next year. Next asset I talked about, or next stock I talked about, was CGC in my last video. This one's did a descending broadening wedge. It's pulling up. It is currently retracing back up to the 61.8 of the previous high. So we want to see CGC canopy get back to 36, right? I think that's the next target. Again, a call. I had to mute it. So 36 is our next target on CGC. It's my next target. I do have $30 calls for like far out next year. I think like mid next year, May or June. On the way there, we definitely want to see 25.86 become support, knock out 31, get up to 36. If this holds, right? If this holds, I mean, we might get up here and like knife back down. But if we get above 36 and continue to close here, then we want to look for 71 and 65, right? Those are going to be like the next bullish extensions. But we're not quite there yet, right? We're not quite there yet. Let's take this thing play by play. I don't like making grand predictions. I don't like doing that. I like taking charts step by step, level by level, and Fibs allow me to do that. Moving on. Next up is Tilray. Tilray today, I think it's at a great entry point, right? Like, I really think Tilray is solid. Not financial advice, but I'm still buying, right? It's still in my buy zone. And what's going on with Tilray? What it did is 61.8 retracement. If you don't know what that is, I will highlight one as soon as I'm done with this chart. We're going to show you an example of the last 61.8 we saw in like stock market. Now, this is a great level, right? I would get worried if it knocks out this low and it goes like lower than last low. So my mental stop on my calls is down here at like 698. But I do have 750 calls in January for January 2021, and I have $13 calls for March of 2021, and that's just because of current extension levels, right? I do think $15 is the next target for Tilray, so entry here at the 61.8 to the 61.8 retracement of last swing high is going to be almost 100% move from 750 to 15 bucks, right? That's spot. But we're trading it with options. We're looking for a much bigger return. And if we get a move above $15, and my next two targets are going to be 31 and 28, I'm a swing trader. I don't scalp. I like to let the market do the work. And I do think this industry has bottomed. All right, another chart that's been creating some buzz is ACB. I don't hold a position in this one. The other two I do. Let's remove drawings. What's going on with ACB in terms of retracement? It looks like it's a below 61.8. That's how I had it fibbed earlier. Yes, I'd want to see it get back above 778, right? We want to see this level reclaimed by bulls before we can expect any kind of upwards continuation. And in terms of targets, if this one does rally, if it rallies, then we want to see 1357 get taken out by the bulls, and then the next two targets. So here we're gonna look for 1357 and then 23 and 26. That about wraps it up for my marijuana stock update video. I try to keep it short and sweet. You guys, if you're not in Discord, click the link, join us in Discord. We do this 24/7 all day, every day on stocks, cryptos, Bitcoin, Ether, the S&P, QQQ, you name it, we do this. We do everything except for Forex. So hop in our Discord, and we'll see you there. Thanks.